Serbia's armed helicopter fleet includes a mix of domestically produced and imported helicopters serving various roles within the Serbian armed forces. One notable helicopter in its fleet is the SA.342L GAMA, which was originally produced during the former Yugoslavia era and is now in service in Serbia. The SA.342L GAMA, also known as the Gazela, is a light armed reconnaissance helicopter with versatile capabilities. It was initially developed in France by Aerospatiale as the SA.341 Gazela and later produced under license in Yugoslavia. The Gazela is equipped with a range of armaments, including machine guns, rockets, and anti-tank guided missiles, making it suitable for a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, close air support, and anti-tank warfare. Production of the SA.342L GAMA began in the 1970s at the Sokol aircraft factory in Mostar, Bosnia and Herzegovina, which was part of Yugoslavia at the time. The helicopter was primarily used by Yugoslav People's Army and later by the armed forces of Serbia and other successor states after the breakup of Yugoslavia. The design feature of the machine was a rigid three-bladed main rotor, which was designed jointly with the German company Bocau, as well as a multi-blade tail rotor, which was mounted in a tunnel channel in a special vertical tail called fenestron. The helicopter was distinguished by a streamlined fuselage of a semi-monocoque hull and had a large glass area of the cockpit located in its front part. In addition to the crew cabin, which consisted of 1 to 2 pilots, the 3 to 4 passengers could be freely accommodated, or a small cargo weighing up to 270 kilograms. The Gazela is powered by a Turbomeca SA.342L turboshaft engine with 590 horsepower. It can reach a maximum speed of 310 km per hour at sea level and a cruise speed of 264 km per hour. The GAMA anti-tank variant can be additionally equipped with an autonomous navigation system, an autopilot, equipment for making night flights, and a Doppler radio beacon. The SA.342L GAMA is a versatile light reconnaissance helicopter known for its agility, maneuverability, and ability to operate in various environments. The helicopter is typically armed with a combination of machine guns, rockets, and anti-tank guided missiles. Common armaments include 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine guns mounted on flexible pinned mounts for engaging ground targets. Rocket pods capable of carrying unguided rockets, such as S5 or S8 rockets, are often attached to hardpoints on the helicopter's stub wings. Some variants may also be equipped with ATGMs, such as the French-made Milan or the Yugoslav-made Malyutka 83 Saga, for engaging armored targets at long ranges. Despite its age, the SA.342L GAMA remains an important asset in Serbia's armed helicopter fleet due to its agility, firepower, and ability to operate in various environments. It continues to play a significant role in enhancing the country's aerial reconnaissance and combat capabilities.